Welcome players and developers to this devlog for Spirit Sealer. In this episode 0, I invite you to explore together the genesis of a browser game project. To quickly introduce myself, I'm Remy, a web developer since 2019. I started my web training with Wagon, then followed front-end React courses like From Scratch and React Mastery. I'll include the links in the description. I worked as a developer in a company for a few years. I also have blockchain development training through Elira. In short, while a foundation in development is necessary, with the arrival of AI and a lot of time, it's now possible to create a browser game much more easily than it was a few years ago. To start, the simplest approach is to try copying an existing game. No need to make it complicated, choose something you like that allows you to quickly test your development environment. In my case, I wanted to recreate the game system of this One Piece fan game. If you're not very comfortable with back-end development and creating logic, choose a game with as few rules as possible, like Snake, for example, and then you can add your own twist to make it more complex later on. For the tech stack, use languages you're comfortable with. In my case, I chose to have a backend in the form of a Ruby on Rails API and a Next.js frontend. Once again, with AI, it's easy to get started, and there are plenty of tutorials available for this. If you're interested in seeing how to do it in detail, let me know in the comments. It's time to dive into the code. In the upcoming devlogs, I'll show you the steps I went through to end up with a finished game, in production, with an original universe. Feel free to try out Spirit Sealer, the link is in the description. Subscribe to my channel and let me know in the comments which topic you're most interested in regarding game development. Thank you for your attention, have a great time on Spirit Sealer, and see you soon.